Hello, these are the directions for what you need to do for day 10. So we're going to go into the online distance learning folder, into unit 9, which is the pink folder, and then we're going to come down to day 10. Alright, so under day 10, you're going to see that there is a PH simulation Google Doc, and those are going to be your notes. And so what you're going to do is you're going to use this link right here, the PH simulation link, and you're going to go through that. It's a website that's going to have you do a simulated, which means like you're going to do a lab, only we can't do it in class, so you're going to do it online. And so you're going to go through that and you're going to answer the questions on those notes. Once you try that, what I want you to do is I want you to use this right here. These are my notes that I took, and those are the answers. I want you to go through and then fill in the notes with those answers so that you can use that to do the puzzle piece. So the green puzzle piece is going to be what's graded for this day. So you want to use your notes to answer these questions. Okay, so you should have this document up while you're trying to do this. And that's it for day 10.